class notebook has been created, you no longer need to go into the class notebook section. So when you click on the app panel, you won't need to click on the class notebook. You could click on OneNote Online, and that will bring you to all of your notebooks, which it would be inclusive. Also in your OneDrive, you'll see class notebooks, and it would appear in here as well. I'm just going to click on the app panel and click OneNote Online. Your students can find your notebook in the exact same place. It will have all of your notebooks in here for you. So whether you're the teacher or you're the student, all of your OneNote notebooks will be in here. So you only really need to go to the OneNote class notebook creator one time to set it up, or another time to add or remove students. Once you find the notebook you want, just click on it. And once it loads, you can click on Open in OneNote if you'd like to open it in the full-blown desktop version. Otherwise, you can just edit it right from OneDrive. But there's a lot more features in OneNote, so I'm going to click Open in OneNote. And what that does is it opens it in the desktop version of OneNote, which is a lot more robust and has a lot more features. Once your notebook loads, you'll see your notebook, your welcome tab, your collaboration space, your content library, and each student name. And I only had one, so I don't see any more students' name. From the title of the notebook, if you click on it, it will show you all of your notebooks. Once you load them into your desktop version, they'll be there and they'll sync with the cloud. So I'm just going to click on my Carmel cohort. And here you'll be able to see that I do have a content library, and I have a round 1 tab, I have a kickoff tab and a round 1 tab, and that's it. Once I go back, I'll be able to see each of my students' names. So I'll just click on Vanitha, because she doesn't have much in here. She only has her kickoff tab, so I know she did not copy over her round 1. And then there's the pages along the side. So what Vanitha would have to do is she would have to open the content library, and she would have to right click on round 1, and she can click on copy section 2, and she would find the notebook, which is Carmel cohort. And for her, she would only see her name. I'm the teacher, I see everyone's name. She would click on her tab and click copy, and it would make sure that it copied the whole tab with all the pages to her notebook. So now Vanitha can go into her own notebook, because she wouldn't be able to see anyone else's notebook, and she would be able to edit the document that I gave her. I would be able to see the changes, and she would be able to see the changes. I'd be able to edit it, and so would she, but she would not be able to see or edit anyone else's notebook.